Hi, I'm Max, and I'm so glad you're joining me for this meditation to help you start your day. Our subconscious mind is most active and some say most impressionable right after we wake up. This gives us tremendous opportunity to impact how the rest of our day plays out. We can set a positively focused intention that's in alignment with and supports the type of day we'd like to have. So to get started, get into a position you can comfortably hold for a bit. If you are doing this meditation shortly after waking up, be sure you are not in a position you would otherwise fall back to sleep in. Gently close your eyes. Begin to take deep, refreshing breaths, allowing each breath to ease you into a still, focused state. Turning all of your attention inward, making yourself your first priority in this moment. Your only focus is your well-being. As you continue to breathe this way, notice the journey of your breath through your body, how it feels as it weaves in and out of your cells, muscles, and joints. Feeling the groundedness and connectedness in these areas. Allowing the breath to ease and release any tightness or tension you may be feeling. Be aware of any judgments that might come up as you do this. It's natural for this to happen. So instead of judging the judgment, simply acknowledge that it's there and then let it drift away. Now that we've grounded physically, let's focus on our internal intention for the day. Most of the time, when we think of intention, we think about the thing we want to get or experience. But what's fascinating is that most often we don't actually want the thing, we want the way it makes us feel. So begin to focus now on how you'd like to feel today. It can be tempting in this process to focus on what you don't want. So if you notice yourself doing that, it's okay. Simply let that pass and then refocus on what you do want. Perhaps you want a day filled with ease, peace, joy, and flow. Tap into the feelings you want to experience today. And as you do, allow yourself time with each one, sitting in that feeling, allowing it to fill up your entire body and heart. Now, how do you want to feel when the day is done? Perhaps you want to feel accomplished, productive, energized, or satisfied. Again, focus on what you do want, and as you do, allow yourself time with each one, sitting in each feeling, allowing it to fill your entire body and heart. Now open yourself up to allowing this intention to settle into your unconscious, so that your thoughts and actions for the rest of today can be in alignment. Continue breathing with your eyes closed. Take a 30-second mental break to stretch or shift your position if needed. Take a few more deep breaths, feeling the air fill your lungs, and then slowly release. As you continue to breathe, allow yourself to sink deeper into a state of relaxation. Imagine a warm, calming light surrounding you and filling your entire being. Allow this light to heal any stress or tension you may be carrying. And when you're ready, slowly bring your attention back to the present moment and your surroundings. Take one more deep breath in, and then slowly exhale. Just let your attention start to focus back on my voice and the present moment. And finally, when you're ready, gently open your eyes and take a moment to stretch and come back. Namaste.